discussion about what he needed.
Okay. Well, he got your credit card, your bank card somehow, and he got your PIN number somehow.
Trouble!
I can't understand what you're saying. I'm not picking up words. I'm not joking. I really can't understand anything that you are saying.
As word spread throughout the land about the child's wondrous works, people from all over flocked to hear him.
There's nothing in the English language that sounds anything like that. Do you see what it sounds like?
Hittites and Abbasids, Obamacons and Mechaniacs, Cameroonians and Blairites. And they told of strange and wondrous things that greeted the news of the child's journey.
Swing round through the ring they ride, till in the hearts of the detectives they made to collide, and all that energy packed in such a tiny bit of room becomes mass particles created from the vacuum, and then
oh yeah.
The child walked in the path of righteousness, with only the occasional detour into the odd weed and a little blow.
I never thought it could happen to me.
I've been living with it for a while now.
I got it from her. I mean, this could happen to anybody.
Anybody?
I have dope. What's up, the dope boys? What's up, the dope boys? What's up, the dope boys in the building?
This is your brain.
And this is your brain on
Dope.
Any questions?
The dope boys. What's up?
That's right, but once in a while, police catch a bad guy doing something, well, stupid.
You know, all the time you've been doing security here, have you ever had anybody bet drugs like that before?
Not that I've been in.
And when it was time to place his bet, he put a large amount of marijuana right out on the table. What he did was legal because he had a cannabis club card he got on the internet.
You do have your cannabis card on you?
I do got it on me.
Do you like frequent flyer miles with that, or?